All yours, son.
Hi, we're located in Sweetwater, Texas, and we have the best tree trimmers in West Texas. Mr. Turner and his son, Nathan, or excuse me, Matt. How did I get that wrong? Anyway.
I have no idea.
He has rock star looks, and his grandson could do modeling, but yet he helps his grandfather bring down trees at a reasonable price. You've got to check Mr. Turner out. If you're in Sweetwater, Texas, or anywhere in the West Texas area, you need to call this guy. Honest, kind, good-natured, and lots of stories he can tell you. And he doesn't charge you for them either. Good, strong advice. But look at this. His grandson should be modeling for GQ, but he's out here with his grandfather. I think people should take a look at him. You really should. Get to your nearest modeling agency and check him out. Anyway, back to the trees. Here's the tallest branch we have in our yard. And he's about to bring this one down too. He actually does this with an extension ladder, a chainsaw, a couple of chains attached to the railing of the ladder, and just pure brute strength. He's 60 years old. Get a hold of that, America. He's 60 years old. Oh, here comes the big one, guys. This is the big one. Oh my goodness.
You ready?
Yep.
You ready? Yeah.
Damn, boy.
Oh, that's a YouTube moment. Oh my God, got it on tape. Oh my God.
You send that to my phone.
Yes, sir.
I will.
Definitely.
Oh my God.
I thought for a second you gonna slingshot out of that tree for a minute.
Yeah. You are a little Paul Bunyan. Or I don't know, True Grit. Maybe you're John Wayne. Oh goodness.
Maybe I'm just crazy.
Hey, there you go. There you go.
Oh no, man.
It's like your grandson does this, like he's wrestling a bull over here.
Oh, I know.
I bet it's tantamount to that.
Well, that's
quite a bit.
that's
Y'all
a
step back while I
Sure.
yes, sir.
over here.
Definitely.
Woo!
Man alive.
Oh my God. Very good.
Folks, there it is. He is coming away. Limb by limb. Limb by limb, folks.
Oh my goodness. What do you think the height of this tree is, Mr. Turner?
He can't hear you.
He's busy.